Hello guys, let us do few sums from chapter Perimeter and Area. In this video we will be solving first 5 sums of exercise 9.2 and the first question is find the circumference of the circles with following radius and we are asked to take value of pi as 22/7. Before solving any sum, let us try to understand what is circumference of circle and what is area of circle. Circumference is length of outer boundary of the circle. If radius is given, its formula will be c equals to 2 pi r. And if we are given diameter, we can also use formula c equals to pi d. And region enclosed in this boundary is area of circle. Formula to find area of circle is area of circle equals to pi r square. We can now start solving first question. In sub question A, we are given radius 14 centimeter. We have to find circumference of the circle and we have to take value of pi as 22/7. Let us write formula first. C equals to 2 pi r. We'll now substitute values of pi and r in this formula. We have C equals to 2 into 22/7 into 14. Now we will cancel 7 and 14. Both are divisible by 7. So we will cancel 7 ones are 7 twos are 14 and multiply the remaining numbers, that is 2 into 22 into 2, which comes to 88. So circumference of circle is 88 centimeter. In sub question B, radius given is 28 millimeter. We have to find circumference and formula will be c equals to 2 pi r. We will substitute the values of pi and radius. We have circumference equals to 2 into 22/7 into 28. 7 and 28 both come in 7's table, so they can be cancelled. 7 ones are and 7 fours are 28. We will multiply the remaining numbers, that is 2 into 22 into 4, which comes to 176 millimeter. So circumference of circle is 176 millimeter or 17.6 centimeter. Radius given in sub question C is 21 centimeter. We have to find circumference of circle and formula used will be C equals to 2 pi r. We will substitute the values of pi and r. We have C equals to 2 into 22/7 into 21. 7 and 21 both come in 7's table. They can be cancelled. 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. We will multiply the remaining numbers, that is 2 into 22 into 3, which comes to 132 centimeter. So circumference of circle is 132 centimeter. Formula used in question 2 will be different because here we are asked to find area of circle and formula to find area of circle is pi r square. In sub question A, radius given is 14 millimeter, area of circle we have to find and formula for area of circle is pi r square. And for this specific sub question, we are asked to take value of pi as 22/7. Let us now substitute the values in the formula. We have 22/7 in 14 square, that is 22/7 into 14 into 14. We will cancel 7 and 1 14 using 7's table. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. Let us now multiply the remaining numbers, which are 22 into 14 into 2. On multiplication, this gives answer 616 square millimeter. So area of circle is 616 square millimeter. Next question, that is sub question B. We are given diameter of circle equals to 49 meter and we have to find area of circle. And formula to find area of circle is pi r square. So we need radius, not diameter. So first we will find radius, then we will substitute radius in this formula and find area of circle. Radius equals to diameter divided by 2, that is 49 divided by 2, which is 24.5 meter. So now we have radius 24.5 meter. We will substitute in the formula for area of circle. So we have 22/7 into 24.5 square or 22/7 into 24.5 into 24.5. Now next step can be done in different ways. You can multiply all the numerators and divide by 7, or I'll show you one method of cancelling 7 with one of the numbers. 24.5 is divisible by 7, so we will use 7's table to cancel one of the 24.5 and 7. 7 ones are 7, and for 24.5 we will first use 7 3s are 21, but we have number 24 here, that means 3 extra. So next number becomes 3.5. Since decimal point is there, we will place the decimal point and use 7 5s are 35. So our answer is 3.5. So finally numbers remaining are 22 into 24.5 into 3.5. Multiplying these numbers, we directly get the area of circle. There is no need for division because 7 we have already cancelled. We get area of circle equals to 1886.5 square meter. Radius given in third sub question is 5 centimeter. We have to find area of circle, and formula we will use is area of circle equals to pi r square. Let us substitute values of pi and radius. Area of circle equals to 22 by 7 into 5 square. That becomes 22 by 7 into 25. 22 into 25 is 550. So area of circle equals to 550 divided by 7. 50 when divided by 7 gives us answer 78.57. So area of circle is 78.57 square centimeter. Let us see what we are asked to do in third sub question. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find area of circular sheet. Take pi equals to 22 by 7. In first question we were given radius and we had to find circumference. In second question we were given radius and we had to find area of circle. Now in this question we are given circumference and we have to find radius. Formula used will be same, that of circumference. If circumference is given, we will use the formula of circumference and find radius now. Circumference given is 154 meter, radius we have to find, and formula used is 2 pi r. Substitute the values of circumference and pi in this formula. Radius we will keep r because radius we have to find. So we have 154 equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. This sum we have to find value of r, radius. So we will keep it alone on right side and we will take the numbers with it on left side. When we take these numbers to left side, 7 in the denominator will go and get multiplied with the numerator, and 2 and 22 will become denominator. Now we have 154 into 7 by 2 into 22 equals to r. We'll now cancel 154 and 22 using 22's table. 22 sevens is 154 and 22 ones we will use. Means after cancellation is 7 into 7 by 2 equals to r. That is r equals to 49 upon 2. If we divide 49 by 2 we get 24.5. So radius is 24.5 meter. But the sum is not over yet. We also have to find area of the circular sheet. Now we have radius and we will find area using formula pi r square. We will substitute the values of pi and radius in this formula. We have area equals to 22 by 7 into 24.5 square. Area equals to 22 by 7 into 24.5 into 24.5. 0.5 is divisible by 7. If you divide it, you will get 3.5. So we will use 7's table. 7 ones are and 7 3.5s are is 24.5. Means now is 22 into 24.5 into 3.5. On multiplication, we get the area of circular sheet as 1886.5 square meter. Now read fourth question. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Take pi equals to 22 by 7. Since gardener wants to fence a circular garden, we have to find its circumference. and formula used will be C equals to pi d because we are given diameter. So we can use C equals to pi d formula. Now length of rope required for one round equals to circumference, and length of rope required for two rounds equals to 2 multiplied by circumference. Cost of rope will be length of rope required for two rounds multiplied by rate. Length of rope required for one round, that is circumference, and formula used is pi d. We will substitute value of pi and d in it. We have 22 by 7 multiplied by 21. 7 and 21 both are divisible by 7. We will cancel them. We have 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. So now we have 22 multiplied by 3, which comes to 66. So rope required for one round is 66 meter, and length of rope required for two rounds will be 2 into 66, which comes to 132 meter. But in question we are asked to find cost of rope. So cost of rope will be equal to length of rope required for two rounds multiplied by rate, that is 132 multiplied by 4. 4 is the rate of rope given. Cost of rope required for two rounds of fencing is rupees 528. Let us see what we have in fifth question. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Area of remaining sheet will be equal to area of larger circle with radius 4 cm minus area of smaller circle with radius 3 cm. That means if we subtract area of smaller circle from larger circle, we will get the area of remaining sheet. Now calculation here is slightly different from the earlier one because here we are first substituting radius only. So we have area of larger circle pi 4 square minus area of smaller circle pi 3 square. Pi we will take out common from both. What remains in bracket is 4 square minus 3 square. We'll write the value of pi now. 22 by 7 multiplied by 16 minus 9, or 22 by 7 into 7. 7 will get cancelled and we have area of remaining sheet equals to 22 square centimeter.